Scoops, where are you? I still like say goodbye. Hey guys, your Big Pain here. Merry Christmas to y'all. Sorry, they're anyway. But anyway, Merry Christmas to y'all and Happy Dab Year, New Year, Dab Year. Let's call this the Dab Year next year, 2019, because it's gonna be at it. But first, Lego review, and this is Lego from Christmas. I know guitar was from like days ago, but to tell you the truth, the Christmas was on the 23rd. It was. Not lying, it was actually on the 23rd. I'll show you guitar as well, so Uncle gave that to me, and I love it. Live. I brought it back to life. Nah, this kid. But anyway, imagine dance guitar. Anyway, like a review. This is a giant starfire that my grandma bought me. Thank you. And also, Santa helped her as well. Thank you, Santa. I hope you watch this video. Merry Christmas to you all. Christmas pumpkins. NG4 videos. Anyway, this is giant stuff here. Wait a minute. Where's two characters? There's supposed to be two characters with every ship. Or 3. Maybe like 100. Like a Death Star. But I'll show you right now. First, R2-D2. My favorite droid of all. Everyone's favorite droid. Public droid of all. Shiny. Lovable character. I wish it was Clone Wars R2. Love the Clone Wars R2. Ooh, Lego. Yeah, I've seen the Lego R2-D2 Clone Wars version. Go check it out. Now, he has a bigger head, but this is cute. But he doesn't have PT in back, it has PT in front. I actually do like it. Probably gives us some stubby arms. Oh, some arms, some jet packs. No, maybe like a penis thing that goes through. It's an asteroid. Yeah, you got a nice big asteroid there. I'm a B2 battle droid has big strong arms. This is a nice asteroid there you got there. Imagine if saying a clone like that and the clone just blasted the bits. Come on, Rambler. You wanna come here? Come here. Come here, Remy. Come here. Come here. This is Rambler. She's not my dog, she's my grandpa's dog, but really, look at the face. Yeah. At least it did have mistletoe. By the way, this is Rambler. Rambler, the goofy midget German shepherd. She's not actually a shepherd, she's like a half deer faced chihuahua, half Dachshund black weenie dog. She's kind of like black, so she has deer face. She just looks like a drunk little shepherd. Anyway. Hey, Grandma, can you call Rambler, please? Hey, Gran? Yeah, you know what? You can stay in your room. It's fine. Anyway. Sorry about that. Anyway. This is Anakin Skywalker. The Clone Wars version. Not the big eyes. Bye, Rambler. Anyway. Baby doesn't have the big eyes like the original character does, but still. Big lightsaber. And all. Slice. But he's got angry face as well. Like the back. You know what's really kind of getting me? So I added this cape and the hood on. Let's do hood on first. Anyway, hood. I have no idea. Anyway. What bone though? What did I even do? Weird, Grandma, as usual. She is a weird old woman. What did I even do? Grandma's these nights, anyway. This is also Anakin Skywalker with his angry face lightsaber. This is like from Revenge of the Sith. This cave's not that far off. There you go. Anakin Skywalker, Sith version. Except with Micah, so I just call him Micah a little way, but anyway. Anakin Skywalker, the Sith, because he is the Sith. The Asteroid and Starfire. It's kind of amazing. Also, I got some Boba Head collections. But I'll show you that tomorrow's video. And appreciate it. Dab it all. Happy Dab Year and Merry Christmas to you all. Hope you have a wonderful Christmas day. And see you guys in the next video. See ya! Ciao.